Hi everyone! For today's mani, we're going to be trying out dip powders and liquids from Color My World Dip Powders, and I'm super excited. Now check out this beautiful packaging. Now the first thing in the box is this really awesome file, orange wood stick, and buffer, and then check out the attention to detail with this packaging. So this is the clear dip powder, and it's wrapped so nicely, and it just makes it feel like you're getting a special gift. I just really like the attention to detail on the packaging, and then that clear dip powder also has that seal protector on there. And then the liquids are also wrapped really nicely. It has a layer of bubble wrap on there and that cute little Color My World sticker on there, which I took my time. I did not want to rip it because it's so cute. And then here are the liquids, and it also has the directions. And then check out this awesome pen. I love pens. I collect them, so this is super fun. And then the dip powder. So here are the two colors. So we have Provence and then Wild Berry. And these are both new colors from the spring collection that are releasing today, Friday, February 17th. So this first one is Provence. It's a beautiful glitter. It's an irregular glitter. You can see it has like shards of this almost matte purple with gold. It's super pretty. And then we're going to pair it with Wild Berry, which is a very pretty thermal, and it's a purple violet thermal. And check out these two colors together. They are super pretty. And then here are the liquids. Let's pop them open here. So the first thing here is the activator, and then the base coat, and then the top coat here. So this is the liquid set of 3, and I really like the directions on here. It's front and back, and it's a very detailed directions on liquid, so great for someone who's just dabbling into the dip powder world. And I really like these bottles. They're very sturdy, and they also have a stopper in it. So for today's mani, we're going to be using Provence and Wild Berry. I did not swatch those colors because I want you all to see them in action, because we're going to try them out together. We're going to start out by using Wild Berry, which is that beautiful purple jelly thermal. Now this is a really fun thermal, and it's also a jelly, so it's super buildable. You could either do 1, 2, or 3 dips, whichever look you're going for. With the jelly look, you can really build it up to whatever preference you want. Obviously, if you're doing 1 layer, it's going to be a very sheer thermal, and then each layer you do, it's going to build up that opacity. This dip powder is super sensitive. You could already see that beautiful thermal change with just that 1 dip. It's super pretty. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
It's kind of bittersweet. Never thought I'd come back. It's been a while since I packed up my things and left. I recall it still in my beat up truck. I didn't look back, didn't give up. I got my first real kiss behind the coffee shop. Thought he was the one until we broke it off. I recall it still in his beat up truck. Yeah, I cried like hell. Then I told him off, or I would never come back to this town. But now I'm here once again, and things that I forgot just keep flooding by, the memories that I'm made of. Damn, my heart still beats for the place where I grew up. I worked that later shift at the local bar, but said I'll make it big. Said I quit this job. I recall it still, yeah, just like that. I walked out that door and never looked back, or I would never come back to this town. But You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun and springy, and that jelly thermal, I'm just completely in love with it. And then I like the touch of sparkle with Provence, which is a beautiful, unique glitter, and it actually laid super flat to the nail. So even though it's like a shard, irregular shaped glitter, I was so surprised on how flat that actually laid to the nail. I also really liked how the dip liquids performed. They had a low odor to them. I wouldn't say that they're odorless because they definitely smell like dip liquids, but it wasn't that overpowering dip liquid scent. And I really liked the dry time of the liquids. I was able to dip into the powder, clean out the cuticle line, and dust it off without any issues. So I would definitely say it's more of a faster dry time. I will go ahead and list everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Also, I will leave images of some of the new colors that are releasing today for the spring collection from Color My World Dips. If you tried Color My World Dips, let me know what your favorite colors are so I can check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.